Corruption, the major problem in India. Money is the main root cause for it. What mainly causes it? It is the selfishness of the people and also the want, the need and the greed of the people.
The seed of corruption starts from Mazzoni. If we stop that, then it goes on reduce, and so that the corruption will be eradicated.
The root cause is we are citizens having the laziness. Due to the laziness, we are stepping to the corruption. And also the solution for it, every person and every government people should do their duties in perfect manner, then we can eradicate this problem.
Corruption. It is one of the evil effects by which India has been affected since long time. It has more effect than a volcanic eruption because several lives are being affected due to this corruption.
The main cause for this corruption is only the selfishness of every individual. Nowadays, every individual is thinking about himself and about his family and storing his money and fetching money illegally or legally.
Corruption, it is adversely affecting our economy, and there are many reasons for this. One of the major reasons for this is shortages and states' allocation of resources.
When an individual wants more than what he deserved or more than what he needs, this corruption board rises.
Like, I like to compare corruption with a cell phone. You see, a cell phone, we are getting addicted to a cell phone like anything. We keep on checking our cell phone without any use. Similarly, we use corruption as it is a simple path to do our work, get our work done.
The root cause of corruption is bribery. In a certain man's life cycle, everyone will be corrupted even once in his life cycle.
I may introduce the new blood group, that is C. India ranks 94th in the corruption.
People are not in a position to ask them because the politicians are showing their superiority. Actually, corruption occurs because due to a lack of integrity.
The major role of corruption to increase its fatal role is people, that is the citizens of India. Because the population which are exploiting corruption into an end.
I say nothing. Everyone is having a luxurious life, so they need money. To get the money, there are many ways. One of the ways is corruption.
The common and origin of this topic is greediness of humans, and it is the word which frightens me more, because due to this, corrupted people are becoming more corrupted, and thus the rich people are becoming more rich.
In my view, the root causes of corruption are selfishness and laziness. No other reason leads to it. If we throw away these two bad qualities from humans, there is no word called corruption in our dictionary.
The black money from India is converting into the white money.
In India, corruption is highly influencing. It spread like a disease which can't be cured like cancer, and due to this corruption, it gets an effect on educational field, medical field, not only one field, every field, it gets affected.
As Mahatma Gandhi says, example is better than present. The root cause of corruption, according to me, is dishonesty. Dishonesty is not in others, it would be in our own self. I can openly mention, to root out this corruption, either from India or from any other part of the globe, only through honesty that we practice within ourselves. I also feel each individual has to start working out one's own honesty. I hope corruption would never come in life. And there are still a lot of apprehensions on the part of many, as one who is being honest might not make the total society free from corruption. But it is there. It will be done. I hope I am honest here onwards. I hope I can keep corruption away from this earth. Thank you.
Corruption exists because of poverty, because of selfishness of a person. And if you come to know that about corruption, it's just like the air we breathe. As air is everywhere, corruption is also existing throughout India.
Where does this corruption first started? Just you look back, if your mother wants you to drink milk before going to school, what will she say? Drink milk fast, I'll give you this, I promise you that. Is it not getting counted? Or your dad promises you, if you do this, you'll get this. So it is a two-way process, I can tell you, like if you want your things to be done quickly, we're giving something or the other.
Corruption is something that nobody can change it. But I want to say something like when I ask how can you change or how can you make India corruption free? I can't change it, but I want to give my suggestions that I want to say something. God asked to make use of things and love people and love human. But what we are doing is we are loving things and making use of human.
Actually, we all know that many long years back it was started. How it was started, we don't know exactly. But a man, it was not started by government people or it was not started by rich people. But we can simply say that it was started by a common man.